Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So Aimogen in its latest version brings support for our OpenAI Assistance API version 2, and OpenAI lists the changes they made in version 2 Assistance API here, and all of these changes were implemented also in Aimogen. So you will see that Aimogen will have the file search instead of retrieval for assistance. So if you go to AI assistance, if you use assistance, I recommend that you check this update, as the retrieval was replaced with file search, and the file search is much more faster. It can use many more files and it can also support parallel queries for multi-threaded searches. So this is a great update. Go ahead and check the assistance, as the retrieval was replaced by file search. If you were using until now the retrieval feature of assistance, go ahead and check the new file search feature, as it replaces it. You will not need to do anything, just check functionality, as be sure that things will continue to work as usual. Also, they introduced the vector store objects, which will speed things up. So I recommend that you save settings in assistance, just to be sure that the plugin is able to create the vector stores for you for your files. And note that this is needed only if you use the file search functionality. Also, you can now control the maximum number of tokens which assistants use. This can be set in settings of the plugin, and advanced AI settings will have here AI assistant advanced settings, and you can set the maximum prompt token count and completion token count for assistants. So you can access this feature in the advanced AI settings part of the plugin. Also, if we check back to the changes, we can now support tool choice parameter. This is not interesting. You can now create messages with role assistance. So this is important, as until now the plugin was not able to set the assistant first message. This is the first message which appears in the chatbot, which is displayed to users. So this was not supported by assistants until now. So this will be adding this support to chatbots for which are using assistants. So if you are using a chatbot which creates responses using AI assistants, you can set the first message with which the chatbot should be sending here in this input field. So let me show you this in action. Let me create a new assistant, chatbot assistant. Let's write also a first message. Hello, how can I help you? So this should be the chatbot's first message. Let's save, and we will get now the chatbot assistant created. And if we go to AI chatbot menu here, we can actually select the assistant instead of a model. We can select the chatbot assistant, save settings, and note that the types deactivated which are not compatible with assistants. And the first message of the chatbot is hello, how can I help you? And this will use our assistant now, and it will be providing responses for us using the assistance API. Hello, how can I assist you today? Okay, so this is another change that was made to the plugin in the V2 API of assistance from OpenAI. Also, they can now support run objects, temperature, response format, and top P. So note that assistants will have in their settings now also input fields for temperature and top P. These are new input fields which were added in version 2 of Aimogen, so go ahead and check this new change. Also, you can set the temperature and top P of the AI models which assistants will use. You can now use fine-tuned models and response streaming in assistance. This is also very interesting that you can use response streaming in the AI assistants. So if you go to AI chatbot and in the settings, you can set to response streaming and save settings. And now if we save settings and tell the chatbot count to 100, the response will appear in a stream matter. So you can see the response is appearing progressively as it is generated by the AI chatbot. Okay, so this is all for AI-matic changelog and updates. Let me know if you have more ideas, suggestions. Until next time, like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.